little demo video. I think most people know how to fit floor mats, but this is for the Ford Ranger, just to show you how these fit, how good they are. I think they're pretty good. So these are a set of tailor-made deep dish floor mats for the Ford Ranger. Should fit the T6 and the T7, right, Ian? I don't think there's any difference between the two. So right, let's have a go. They're dead easy to fit. I've laid them out as they go in the car. Obviously they're different for left-hand drive and right-hand drive. This is for UK right-hand drive Ford Rangers, as you can see here. So the rear mat, we're probably better off fitting that middle bit first, aren't we?
Yeah.
So it's got some little accessories logo on it there, if you can see that in the light. So we're just gonna, right, let me go to the other side here. Okay, so this one just goes around there, and then when you put the other mat in, it overlaps. And it goes all the way up to the
tapered to fit, all the way up to the sill there.
All the way up to the runners there.
That's your side.
And obviously,
show you that.
Same on the other side.
And they're deep dish as well, so if you've got snowy boots or a lot of mud or a lot of water on it, it will actually collect quite a decent puddle of water before it gets onto your carpet.
Right, let's get that passenger one in. And then the last one, the driver's side, is a little bit more complicated, not vastly. On the back they've got like little dimply things to sort of stop it sliding. So let's just have a...
It's fairly square, that one, isn't it? Just that fits right up to
the back edge there. That's all good. Right, we're nearly there. Right, so driver's mat, we've got these little holes here. Now we've cut one out, so when you get the mat there'll be no cutout, and I'll explain why in a minute. I'm just going to grab the knife. Right, so I've actually left the OE mat in here, the original one. Okay, so the original mat is, have you got enough light there? Yeah, I'm going to grab the light. So the original mat, Ian's just grabbing the light, is held on, if you keep going forward, it's held on with these two poppers. The original mat, as you can see, is quite small. It doesn't even come up to the edge.
It's just a carpet finish, so it just holds all the dirt as well, doesn't it?
So we can just pull that there, and that should pop off these. Now I'm pretty sure most of the Ford Rangers, because ours is the base model, and it's got these are pre-fitted in. So if you just pop those out, if you've got those, and then that should leave you with the fixings in the carpet there ready. And then if you just get the new one, and what it's going to do is it's going to pop over that. So before I put it in, let me show you how to trim out that second one there. In fact, so how did you do it from behind, Ian, or from the front?
I did it from the back.
You did it from the back, did you?
I think.
And just went in and...
Try it from the front, it might be easier from the front.
Might be easier from the front. I'm doing something there.
But it's got, if you see on this one, it's got it's all moulded, ready for it to come out. It just needs that last bit just punching through the centre.
If you haven't got those bits in your car they're missing, I would leave these. But obviously the reason these are here in your mat is to stop the mat going under your foot pedals, and which can give you a problem.
Which is why this is only on the driver's side.
Because then if you go to brake, and you can't brake because the foot mat's jammed underneath. Right, so I don't think I've done too bad a job there, have I? Looks a bit grisly. I guess you could drill it if you were super keen.
Try and use the tip of it and just follow, let it guide you around.
There you go.
Working?
Yeah, that's getting it. Ian gets the award for the better job. Look. Ian's, I don't know, it wasn't perfect.
No.
But the little thing when it pops through...
the rubber should come, the popper should come through and hide any nasties.
Let's have a look. If I get down here out the way, Ian, you should bring your light over the front. Right, let's tuck those all the way up. And it's even got the little cover there for the little flappy bit there for that footrest.
And it is shaped as well for the right hand side there underneath the accelerator.
So you got that little bulge there. Right, and then it should line up with, there we go, I can see him there. And then if you just push down slowly and firmly, it should sort of mould itself round, so you can't see most of the cutting. And then I'll do that other one there. Same thing.
I think the neater you cut it, the easier it'll be to push on as well.
Oh,
So
he's going.
actually, having it a bit rough might actually keep it in place a bit better.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, he's on.
There you go.
There we go. Ford Ranger floor mats fitted.